I'm not typically into unboxing videos, but we just got new packaging for SnapPlate and I kind of want to show it off. So here's the new box. Instead of the old top open style, we went with a mailer, which has this flap that opens from the front. They're more expensive, but they're a lot stronger. And I really like how there's only one way to open, and it kind of helps display the product better. So you flip it open, and the first thing you see is our new accessory case. You know, rather than spend money branding a box or an insert, we wanted to spend that money on something that would add value. So we went with a felt case with the logo on it, and it has a zippered top. And inside, you'll find screwdriver, black and silver Torx security screws, just like before. And it just gives, you know, a nice place to keep everything together and keep it in your glove box or in your trunk, wherever's convenient. So in the box, we have this insert that kind of makes like a triangle that adds additional strength. And then SnapPlate. So you just grab it and pull it out. And we are shipping them with the actuator open now, because this is kind of a unique way to do something. And that way when you pull it out, you look at it, it's like, oh, how do I use this? You just push it, and it's just more intuitive. So from here, you just install your plate with the 4 black or silver, whichever you want, security screws, and then install. And it's that easy. We also wanted to thank our early customers, especially those of you who received SnapPlates that were broken in shipping. Your feedback and your understanding and your photos were really helpful in developing a much more robust packaging. So thank you. You know, doing a product like this is brand new to us. We've never done anything like it. We had no idea of the cost and how to do customer service, and we've really done our best. And we both have a new respect for what it takes to make the products that we buy every day. So thank you guys. Your feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, and that really has been rewarding. Difficult at times, but it has overall been fun and rewarding. So thank you for your orders, and thanks for your support. Thanks for watching.